So this is part 2, deck 2, number 2. Walk around the runway. If you want to miss it, scoot to 6 minutes 50, but it's up to you. It's worth it. Just if it walk around, man. So you see, we're just at the edge. They do love drying stuff. They love drying stuff on the old runway. I don't know whether that's just a trolley or a trailer or something. I don't know. It's just, I don't suppose they're going to care. Here comes someone on a motorbike. He's not going to care. You won't be able to hear once the drone's up in the air anyway. But this is the very edge of the runway. So I think he'll be happy enough. I don't know what those green things are. Like I say, they love drying stuff on here. So if you look over here, the ammo dump was over here, and a lot further down was the Special Forces base. But you'll see the obviously main runway, and you've got a landing strip for the helicopters just over to the left hand side, which once the drone goes up, you better see. I'm just going to go and have a look at what these green things are. They're a little bit odd, aren't they? I wonder what that geezer's up to. He's disappeared off. But he didn't care what I was doing. I mean, it's just a runway, isn't it? No. I don't know what these are. Anyway, it's a long old runway. Oh, there is someone down there. I can see a cow. Or it's a very big dog anyway. I don't know what this red sign. I always like old markings. You see? I don't know, I love that kind of stuff. Sign says. I think this is something about the only person out of film here is me, so that's fine. So we'll take that as a given. This seems strange. Oh, it's weird. Well, it's not that new because part of it's fallen in. And you wouldn't say, oh, you'd want to use that as a pillbox. I mean, blimey. Right, so this is a truck and that is a cow. I am going to walk down a little bit further because the ammo dumps. Oh, here's this geezer coming back, or is this another one? Don't know. I'm going to walk down a little bit further just to see what the crack is. You can see the landing patch. Oh look, there's something in the woods here. I wonder if those red signs said don't go in the woods because this is where the ammo dump was. There's someone on a posher bike. Oh, I see, it's just a little bridge. Yeah. There's nothing special. It's just a bridge. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to stash myself. I could go. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to stop recording now. No, I'm not. Carry on, because I can always edit. Editing's good. Editing is good for the soul. As I found out yesterday. So you've still got a lot of the tarmac. Proper road. So that's the connecting track. Yeah, so this was the landing, the helipad area. I don't know all these weird things. Oh, what's this? Why has this got a funny thing on it? Now that was something. There's something there. That's different. Right. I'm going to walk down. Yeah, I'm going to walk down here. So I think if I go in the bushes, they're going to think I'm a bit weird. Or weirder, anyway. And they've already seen me with a handheld camera, so if I'm walking around with something that looks like it's handheld, they're gonna think, oh, it's just that geezer, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna go and stand over here on this little track. No doubt as soon as I do that, they'll you can see the size of it. You see, I told you, as soon as some bird gets involved. I mean, she's not going to care if I'm flying a drone. I don't think so, anyway.
This is the end, beautiful friend. This is the end, my only friend. The end of our elaborate plans. The end of everything that stands. The end. No safety or surprise, the end. I'll never look into your eyes again. Can you picture what will be? So limitless and free, desperately in need of some stranger's hand in a desperate